Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use the Kanban view for task management in Zoho Project. This is a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow, so let's jump right in. First, log into Zoho Project and navigate to the Tasks tab. You'll find your tasks listed here, but what we want is the Kanban view. This is important because the Kanban view provides a visual representation of your work, helping you see the bigger picture. Now that we're in the Tasks tab, look for the View As drop-down menu on the top right and select Kanban. This switches your tasks into the Kanban view, which is essentially a board with different columns for different stages of your tasks. Each task is represented as a card that you can move from one column to another as their status changes. Next up, we're going to customize our board. Click on the Add Column button to create different stages or categories. The reason we do this is to match the Kanban board to our specific workflow. For instance, you might have columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Now let's add some tasks to our board. Simply click on the plus Add Card button in the column of your choice, type in your task, and hit Enter. Each of these cards represents a task, and the beauty of the Kanban view is that you can drag and drop these cards from one column to another as you progress with your tasks. Finally, you can click on any card to view or edit the details of the task, such as its due date, assignee, or description. This helps us because it means you can manage every aspect of your tasks right from the Kanban board without having to switch between different views or pages. So there you have it. That's how you use the Kanban view for task management in Zoho Project. This tool can significantly improve your productivity by providing a clear, visual overview of your workflow. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy project managing.